welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this vlog is about my products. I had mentioned to you all before in a previous vlog that I was gonna be introducing my products to you all. So today is the day and I'm excited. Okay, so some people already know that I sell products. I've been selling them for quite some time. Over the years, I sell products out of my salon business, and now out of my beauty school. I sell products online, and they are absolutely great for your skin. I've done the research. I'm a esthetician, cosmetologist, and obviously a beauty school owner. So I sell my products all the time. This is just the first time that I'm introducing them to you all. So all of my products are a labor of love for me, and I love to get feedback from people after they use my products because I know they're good. I just want other people to know how good they are. And I'm also in the process of rebranding. That's what took me a little bit of time to introduce them to you all, because I'm going to be changing the name of them. The products that I have now, they have my school, my business name, Face It, but I've changed the name now to Serenity by Salicia, and I love that name. It just fits where I am right now. So that's the name of the brand, but the products that I have, they're already labeled. So I'm just gonna push the products with the label that I have, and then once I get rid of all my products, then I'll go ahead and change the labels. So again, these are a labor of love, and they are good. They are good for your skin. They are all natural, healthy products. So I'm gonna introduce them one by one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to introduce to you all is my candle line. Right now I have two different fragrances in this line, and they're both in this beautiful glass finish. They're really pretty, and they look really pretty in the room, like in any room. Like right now I'm burning this one. This is my favorite because it matches my aesthetic and the smell. I love it. This is my signature scent that I told you all about, but this is the one that I'm burning right now. My daughter, she loves this one. This one is strawberry ice cream. It smells so good, soft and sweet. It's not too loud or crazy. It smells so soft, and I really love this. And I noticed that the girls really love this one. This is the one. Okay, so this candle is my signature scent candle, my luxury hotel scent. This is my scent that I have around my house all the time. So I really love this scent. It smells really luxurious. It's not too crazy loud. It smells really, really soft and luxurious. And whenever I did my vendor sale, this is the one that sold out the most. So this one is definitely my favorite. Okay, so next we have my scented lip glosses. So I have 4 different flavors of gloss. Show y'all what I have here. Okay, so I have 4 different flavors. The first one that I'm going to show you all is this Barbie pink. This is mine, so it's not labeled. This is the one I have in my purse, so I didn't even put a label on it along with this one. So this Barbie pink is what I have on now, along with Demure. So I mixed these two to get this light, soft look. But I'm going to show you all how Barbie pink looks by itself. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you all. I still have some liner around my lips, but that's about it. So I'm going to put Barbie pink on now. And it smells like cherries. You see how light and soft? Real classy. And you can always add your liner if you want to add liner on with it. But it's so cute, so soft, so light. That's Barbie pink. So next I'm gonna show you all Demure. Demure is like a really classy vintage type of pink, and I really love it. It's so luxurious, the color. Let me show you. So you all can wear this with a liner or without. I like to wear mine with the liner depending on what look I'm going for. If I'm going for like a no makeup look, then I'll wear them without a liner. So this is Demure, and it is definitely pigmented, so you don't need a whole lot. It's so luxurious. And that is without the liner. It looks so pretty with the liner as well. But this one is Demure Pink. Okay, so also Demure smells like pineapples. Real cute. Okay, next we have Clarity. Clarity is basically just a clear gloss, and it has some shimmer in it. So it has some cute little shimmer. So you can wear this one. Of course, you can wear it with lip gloss or without. I mean, no, look at me with lip gloss. You can wear it with liner or without. It's real cute. Real cute. Look at that. So this one smells like blueberries. So freaking cute. So my next one is Skin. Skin is one of my favorites, but I love to wear this one with the liner. So this is like a nude color, and it's really pigmented, so you don't need a lot. So first I'm going to show y'all with the without the liner, and then I'll show you with the liner. Okay. I didn't rub it in good because I'm trying to leave some space for my liner. I like to wear this one with the liner. It's so cute. And you can also add a little bit of Demure on with this too, to give it a little bit of extra shine. You don't want to mess up your little tip there. So classy, so cute. I love it. So y'all seen me do that in real time. That's how easy. Real cute. Real cute. And this one smells like vanilla. Skin smells like vanilla. So yeah, real cute, real classy. So again, we have Skin, Clarity, Demure, and Barbie Pink. Y'all better go get them. Okay, so this is my best-selling item, and it's actually the last one I have. So I'm going to go restock this one. This is my Power V. It's a feminine wash. It's foam. It's all natural. It has a minty lavender smell. It's all essential oil, so and it's not loud or heavily scented. Again, it is pH balanced, so it doesn't cause you any irritation. I have customers that are pregnant that come to get this. It keeps you fresh all day long. It is the bomb, and it works. So Power V, this is up on my website now. So by the time you all see this, I'll have gone in to restock and everything. But this is my last one, and I'm saving this one for my student, and I'm going to take it to the school on Tuesday, because when she called on Friday, I was like, We only have one left and it's at my house. And I use my products. I stand behind them 100%. Okay, so my next two items, I like to sell them together because they work really well together. They are my skin scrub and my turmeric serum. They're both really good for hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is like dark spots or darkening over any areas of the skin. They help with that, and so they also help with like lightening in some areas. So they're all natural. Again, they're made with a lot of butters and a lot of citrus. So this smells just like you just peeled an orange or a lemon. That's exactly what this smells like, and it's really good for your skin. And it puts the moisture back into your skin, which is the part that I think people really love the most. Because if you have really dry skin, this is going to put the moisture back in. And also you notice a difference right away. Immediately after you use this, you notice a difference. So this one gets really good reviews, and I've reformulated it so it's super duper soft now. It used to be really gritty because it is an exfoliant, but now I've made the formula a little bit softer, but it still gets the job done. Don't get me wrong, it still gets the job done. Okay, secondly is my turmeric serum here. This one is very potent. You only need like a pea-sized amount. It is definitely a turmeric serum. And you want to put this on. If you have dry skin, you could use it a little bit more often. So you could use it up to 5 times a week if you have dry skin. If your skin is oily, you don't want to use it as much because it is an oil. So if you're oily and you put in more oil in, just gonna make you real oily, but it will help with your discoloration. So you could spot treat. You could put just a pea-sized amount and treat the areas that you want to treat, the areas that are dark. That's what it's for, areas that have more darkening. So it helps with that hyperpigmentation. Both of these help with that, and they could also be used on all parts of the body, so that's a great thing too. Okay, so next is my natural cuticle oils. I have these little things everywhere, and my students love them. I put them in the nail kits for the students, and they always come up for more because these are so good and they smell so good and fruity. They love these oils. So I keep them all around my house. These help with hangnails, so you don't have hangnails. And whenever you go to the nail shop, stop letting them put that oil on around your cuticles. Do you know when somebody gets cut in the nail shop, they use that same little brush and brush around their cuticles? There's people that come in there with all kind of diseases, everything, and they use that same brush that everybody use with blood all in it. Take your own cuticle oil to the nail shop. Whenever I go to the nail shop, I'm washing everything, and I always let them know I got my own cuticle oil because it's all kind of blood and bacteria mixed up in their little bottle. Don't let them put that stuff on you. Do not. It's so many diseases that people transmit and transfer just by going to the nail shop. So be vigilant. Take your own cuticle oil. Take your own cuticle oil to the nail shop with you. And my cuticle oil, I'm going to update it on the site in just a little bit. I think I got everything up there except for my cuticle oils, turmeric, and scrub. So if you don't see it right away, just send me a message and you'll see it shortly. So my last product is my rose body oil. This is one of my favorite products. And this one is almost empty. This is my personal bottle. And I'm telling you, if people are not using their own products, something ain't right. I use my products. And look how cute the bottle is. It's a glass bottle. So it looks so cute on your counter with all your products. It just looks so pretty. So it used to be in a plastic bottle. I think I showed y'all this before. It used to be in a plastic bottle, but I've changed the packaging and now it comes in this cute dropper. because you don't need a whole lot, and it's made with all natural oils. These are oils that you can actually consume. You can actually eat the oils, but these have essential oils in it, so you probably don't want to eat it. But if it's safe for you to eat, it's safe for your skin. It's not too sticky, and my customers love this. I've also recently reformulated the formula so now it has more of a rose scent, but you still notice the other essential oils in the background, but the rose scent is in the forefront now. And so it is so good. I love to put it on my feet, my elbows. Stop using that baby oil. Stop using baby oils. Those are synthetic oils. You can never eat baby oil. That means that it ain't good for your skin. If you can eat it, it's good for your skin. So these are all natural. Grapeseed, safflower oil, coconut oil. That's what this has in it. And it is awesome for your skin. I'm telling you, I use this just about every day. I keep it in my bathroom. I keep it on my vanity. I keep it in my living. I keep it everywhere. I'm telling you. Go get you some oils. And I had a lady, she ordered some from me at the vendor event. And I guess she wasn't sure about how it would work or if she would really like it. Baby, about 2 weeks ago, she called the school because she had never been to the school. She just met me at the vendor event. And she called the school, and Brianna was like, it was a lady that called and she's asking about the oil. And I'm like, which oil? Which one? And Brianna thought she was talking about the turmeric oil. I said, no, I didn't even bring turmeric oil to the vendor event. She had to be talking about this one. And she said, the lady was like, I need some more of that oil, the oil. So y'all better go get y'all oil. I'll have all my products linked in the description. So hit that link that says all my links are here. I've updated it. I've also added my, so as I was saying, I've updated it. I've updated my description and my handles, my links over there. So now you can get to all of my links. You can get to my Instagram. You can get to my Serenity by Salicia. You can also get to my Amazon because I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. And also, you can also, if you don't have a Sam's Club membership, you can also get half off. If you click my links, you can get half off Sam's Club membership and a AAA membership. And let me tell you, I've had AAA for about 12 years now. I've had AAA. It helps if you have a flat tire. They will come out 3 times a year. You only have to pay once. And you get a discount. And I think it's like $50. And so for the whole year, you pay like $50 something. And if you have a flat tire, if you're low on gas, they will come out, give you gas. If your car needs to be towed or anything like that, they will tow your car for you to your house or to the shop or wherever you want it. If you lock your keys out, trust me, if you don't have a AAA membership, get one. I'm telling you, and I'm not just saying this because it's on my page. I'm saying this because I feel like everybody needs a AAA membership and a Sam's Club card. And get half off your Sam's Club membership. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Watch out for my next video.